Good morning everyone, my name is Michele Curci and I am a technician from PR Rubino. PR Rubino has been producing conveyor belts since 1978 and has a range of more than 50 items and has filed 17 patents in the last 10 years. Today we are going to see one of these patents, the Easywhale toothed guides. What are the Easywhale guides? The Easywhale guides are T10 and TV10 metric pitch anti-slip toothed guides, applied below the surface of the conveyor belt. Reducible diameters of the driven pulleys. If the diameters are larger than 1.18 inches, a DT10 guide can be applied. If the diameters of the driven pulleys are smaller than 1.18 inches, a DTV10 guide is applied. The distinctive V-shaped tooth allows Easywhale guide to bend over itself to a diameter of 0.4 inches of roller. The teeth are separated from each other, thus preventing the detachment of the guide from the pulley. Let's look at another perk now. The loads on the shafts of the pulleys and on the metal structure are considerably reduced. To keep a belt which rolls on small diameters tense, a hefty load is usually applied at the shafts, hence the risk of bending the small driven rollers. All this can be avoided thanks to the Easywhale guide, which works on its own scroll channel. It will therefore no longer be necessary to apply heavy loads to set the belt. As a result, thanks to Easywhale guides, the metal structure can be lightened as well. Another pro is the reduction of energy consumption due to the reduction of the loads distributed over the shafts. Another advantage is the easy setting of the conveyor belt. Thanks to the Easywhale guide, the risk of derailment is reduced and it is possible to set the belt and its centering in a very short time, even during the production stage. The fields of application are countless, from packaging to food production, from pharmaceutical to robotics and many others. And remember, together with our anti-slip guides for small diameters, it is possible to use easy open openable couplings. You can find all the information on our website www.prrubino.it. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.